Just look at these Khoya pistachio sweets. You can make this delicious sweet in just 5 minutes with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. It is rich, tasty and so easy to make. Let's see how we make this quick and wonderful dessert. Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to my kitchen. This recipe will make 4 pieces. So let's get started. I have already toasted the 4 slices of bread. I like to use the French bread and I know you can make more. This mixture will be about for 8 pieces. But right now I'm going to just make 4 of them. So first I am making the Khoya spread. For that I am using a half cup of milk powder, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coconut powder, 2 tablespoons of crushed pistachios, 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and mix it well. Use the micro safe ball because I am going to make this in microwave. So mix it, and now I am going to cook this in microwave for about 40 seconds. So I cook this in microwave for 40 seconds, and as you see this looks just right because as it sits it will get more dry and we don't want very dry. It should be very spreadable. Heat is on low. So here I am using half a cup of sugar. So just wait, sugar will start getting melted and will get kind of light brown. It should take about a minute when you will see the sugar has started melting, and it has started. Just stir it lightly and wait till all the sugar is dissolved and it started catching the golden color. Okay, sugar is all dissolved and you don't want to cook too much, otherwise it will be burning. So I am using here 1/4 cup of heavy cream. So just pour it slowly. Stir and turn off the heat. So sauce is ready and I am going to transfer this in a bowl. Caramel sauce is ready and you see how easy it is to make. I am ready to assemble royal Khoya pistachio sweet. Here I have already toasted the bread. So I am going to spread about 1 spoon of mixed Khoya. So like I said, right now I am just making 4 pieces. So on all 4 of them. Sometimes while sitting, Khoya can become dry and you can add just a spoonful of cream. So this is the finishing touch. So I'm going to just drizzle a little bit caramel sauce, and it makes it look so pretty also. And last touch is sliced pistachios. Looks very elegant. These royal pistachio caramel toasts are creamy, nutty and full of delicious flavors. A simple recipe that feels rich and very special. I hope you enjoy making them at home. If you enjoyed the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more easy and delicious recipe, visit my website manjulaskitchen.com. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.